Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jerry and I'm the owner of 2911 Digital. In this channel, we just talk about website, branding, and web design agencies. If you have not done it yet, hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it that thumbs up. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the world of WordPress. Yes, you so loved WordPress. But today, we're going to be talking specifically about WordPress.com and WordPress.org. Because I feel like a lot of people still don't know the difference between those two, WordPress.com and WordPress.org. So by the end of this video, you should have a great understanding of what to use in each occasion and what is good for you depending on what you're trying to achieve. First things first, let's talk about WordPress. So what is really WordPress? To put it like in a simple way, WordPress is a powerful content management system that, believe it or not, powers more than 40% of all the websites on the internet. That is actually crazy. But there is a big difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. And now we are going to break it down. So first, WordPress.com. What is WordPress.com? WordPress.com could be defined as an hosted platform. And you may ask yourself, what does that mean? So an hosted platform is that it's a platform that is in charge of all the updates, all the technical aspects, and everything that you might need. It's just a hands-off experience. So it's great for beginners that just don't understand how to build a website or don't just want to dive into the technicalities of building a website. So again, a hosted platform is in charge of the hosting, it's in charge of the security updates, and it's in charge of pretty much everything that you might need in terms of the technical aspect. Let's talk about the pros and cons of using it. So let's start with the pros. Number one, it's easy to use. The fact that it's hands-off and is very user-friendly, it makes it very easy for beginners to use. The number two pro of using WordPress.com would be the fact that it's maintenance free. The fact that you don't need to worry about security patches, plugin updates, and all of that make it very easy and hassle free because all of that is handled for you. Because sometimes if you don't have the technical abilities to do the security updates, the patches, the plugins update, it's going to be very, very hard. So the fact that that is handled for you will make it very easy for you to manage your website. Number three is the fact that there is available a free option for WordPress.com. It's just a free option for you just to see what it is and to have a taste of what building a website with WordPress would look like. So that is a good pro if you just want to have a look at what would be to create a website using WordPress. Number four would be the support. If you take one of the paid plans, comes with support, and the fact that everything is in one place, the fact that you can troubleshoot it with the help of an expert would make it very easy for you to manage your website. So number four, I would say the support. But as with everything in life, you have two sides to everything. So now we're going to be talking about the disadvantages or the cons of using WordPress.com. The number one would be the limit customization. So with customization, you are very limited because you are restricted to the themes and plugins of WordPress.com. And there's not much you can do outside that. And depending on the plan that you choose, you have more to do or less to do in terms of plugins, themes, etc. So limit customization is one of the great disadvantages of using WordPress.com. So the second disadvantage of using WordPress.com would be the fact that you have less control. What does that mean? Is that if you want to change the underlying code of the theme that you are using, you don't have that option because everything is managed by WordPress. So not having control of the code, of if you want to change the code, the CSS, HTML, or whatever it might be, might limit the fact of having advanced customization on your website. So keep that in mind if you're trying to use WordPress.com as your platform. Number three will be the fact that if you want more advanced features for your website, you have to pay more. So keep that in mind as well if you're trying to use WordPress.com, that if you want a website that might have very advanced features, even if it's not now, maybe in the future, the price is going to go up and up and up each month and yearly. So keep that in mind if you're trying to use WordPress.com as your platform. So now that we have talked about WordPress.com and the advantages and disadvantages, it's time to talk about WordPress.org. Yeah, WordPress.org. So WordPress.org is a self-hosted platform. What does that mean? That you are in charge of purchasing the domain and the hosting, but you have full control about your website. So with WordPress.org, you have to download the files from the website, from the official WordPress.org website. So with WordPress.org, you download and install the software on your server. I know that might sound difficult, but most hosting providers give you the ability to install WordPress with just one click, and you don't need to just download it and install it by yourself. So keep that in mind, that even if it's something that needs to be done, most hosting providers do that for you, and it's just one click and you can install WordPress on your server. So now that we know about WordPress.org, we're going to talk about the advantages and disadvantages of using WordPress.org. So the number one, and the one that I think makes the difference between both, is the complete customization. So with WordPress.org, you are free to use any theme, any plugin, and you also have the ability to edit the code. Number two would be the no platform restriction. What does that mean? Is that you own the data of your website, because the fact that you self-host it on whatever server you choose, all the data of the website is yours. Number three would be the monetization freedom. So with WordPress.org, you're free to sell products, run ads, and basically do whatever you need to do for you to monetize your website. With WordPress.com, for example, if you want to start selling products, you have to upgrade to a bigger plan, which costs more monthly, which means that if you want to start selling product, you first need to make that money for you to start making profit. Number four, which I think is crucial, is the scalability. So the fact that you can scale your business without having to upgrade your plan is crucial, because the more your business grows, the more you will need to add more advanced features. So having WordPress.org is great because you have the opportunity to scale as you grow without the need of upgrading your plan or being restricted to what WordPress.com offers you. So now let's talk about the disadvantages of using WordPress.org instead of using WordPress.com. So the number one would be that you need a little bit of technical knowledge. So you need to have a bit of technical knowledge to know how to set up and manage the website in terms of updating plugins, updating themes, security patches, etc. There's a lot of free videos out there that can teach you that. So you just need to learn a little bit and you are good to go. So the second disadvantage of using WordPress.org is the maintenance responsibilities. So with WordPress.org, you are responsible for any update, any security patches, and etc. So you have to make sure that for your website to run smoothly and nicely, you have to make all those updates. So the third disadvantage will be the fact that you have to pay for the hosting and the domain, and as well, depending on the features or how you want your website to look, you might need to pay for some premium themes or for some premium plugins that you might need for your website to run as you want and as you need. So keep that in mind in order for you to run your website. And number four would be the learning curve. So WordPress takes a learning curve for you to reach to the point that you are comfortable managing the website all by yourself, and that takes time and takes as well effort for you to get to that point. So keep that in mind if you're trying to use WordPress.org instead of WordPress.com. So now that we have the advantages and disadvantages of both WordPress.com and WordPress.org, to summarize it, WordPress.com is great for somebody that just wants a maintenance-free, easy to use platform to create a website. It's great for beginners, and you are okay as well with having limited customization. And with WordPress.org, it's for people that want advanced features in their website and want total control of the customization and the coding of their website. And now comes the big question: what should I choose? My response to you would be it all depends on you and what you are looking for and how comfortable you are with your technical expertise. If you are a very small business or a blogger looking for your simplicity, WordPress.com is great for you because it offers you that maintenance free. So it takes all the headache and all the situations that you might have with WordPress.org. But if you are looking for a wonderful website with great features, with total customization, and be able to do basically what you want to do, WordPress.org would be for you. And the fact as well that if you grow as a business, your WordPress.org website will grow with you. It's just wonderful. So again, it all depends on you and what you are looking for. And we come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or you want me to talk about something specific of any of those, just leave me a comment below and I will respond to all the comments. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for you to stay updated. And if you enjoyed this video and you like it, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. And that's it for today. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.